is a traditional cake made from cassava, very popular in the Philippines, served on special occasions. Mix 3 packets of cassava flour. Add 1/2 cup of condensed milk and 1 can of small evaporated milk. Add 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Add 2 eggs. Add 1 can of coconut milk. Brush your bowl with butter and pour in the cassava mixture. Bake at 160 for 15 minutes. Simmer 2 tablespoons of flour and 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese and 1 can of coconut milk. Add 1 packet of makapuno. Cover with your topping. Brush with egg whites. Bake at 160°C for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Please subscribe